Why is spice fundamentally different than an oxalate or, a plant, a seed that creates a mucus barrier to digestion? And why are these defensive compounds, which are repulsive if you take a full dose of them, so beneficial for us in small amounts?
That's a great question, Lindsay. Really great question. So I don't buy this thing. I mean, essentially nothing wants to be eaten.
Right.
Nothing,
Thank you.
nothing wants to be eaten. So, but we've evolved to eat plants. So yes, chia seeds, yes, they are trying to protect themselves, but actually they've evolved to be eaten. Plants have evolved to be eaten. Their seeds and their fruits have been designed to be eaten so that we eat them, so that we poop them out, so that they go into the soil and then they regenerate and they have the next generation. So yeah, absolutely. So, but is it harmful for us to be eating these substances? I say, well, no, the evidence bears out that it's not harmful, that a little bit of something in excess, be it water, be it anything, will be harmful to you. But in small amounts, we have evolved, our body is designed to be able to enjoy all these different things. And actually, yes, we do need a little bit of all these things. And no, they're not harmful for you. They are designed to protect, these many of these supplements designed to protect from insects from burrowing in and eating them. But actually, our body is designed to have them. To the microbes in our gut actually enjoy them. So you turn it on its head. No, it's not harmful for you. Actually, we are evolved, designed to actually eat them and enjoy them. And that's the great thing, is that it's enjoyable. It's
Mhm.
healthy and it's enjoyable. And I think spices, they just, they bring so much and so easily, so easily.